How to delete card details on Amazon. So go ahead and open your Amazon application. Make sure that you are logged in here. Now on the home screen, click on your profile icon here on the bottom left. Once you click here, you will see your information about your profile. What you want to do here is click on your account button, scroll down, and once you see your payments, click on that. This will show you the cards connected to your account, so just click on the card that you want to delete. To delete these, click on the blue edit word here. On the bottom part of this page, click on Remove from Wallet. Confirm by clicking on Remove, and after that, you will be directed to this page. As you can see, the card is now removed. So that is how to delete card details on Amazon. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.